Welcome to Breadwinner for NetSuite, the integration solution between NetSuite and Salesforce. Installing and configuring our solution is super quick and easy. Once you've connected NetSuite to your Salesforce account, your NetSuite records such as estimates, sales orders, invoices, credit memos, and more will be visible in Salesforce. Let's take a look at a sales order. Here you can see the sales order number, the status of the sales order, the date it was created, the line items, and the total. You can also see the Salesforce account that this sales order is linked to, as well as any invoices created from this sales order. Now let's take a look at how easy it is to create a NetSuite record. You can create a sales order or invoice in NetSuite either automatically by using our API or by using our guided record creation wizard. Here we are using the guided wizard to create a sales order from an opportunity, but you could just as easily create it from any standard or custom Salesforce object. Now let's create a sales order from an opportunity. Here you see 3 opportunity products. Simply click on New Sales Order. You can create a new NetSuite customer or choose to use an existing NetSuite customer. Here we'll choose an existing NetSuite customer. You may enter the purchase order number as well as any additional memo if needed. You can see that those 3 opportunity products have turned into line items. If you already have pre-populated the description of the product at the opportunity level, that will automatically be brought over during this process, which will save you a lot of time. Now click on the Create Sales Order in NetSuite button. Now you've created a sales order. Breadwinner creates sales orders and other records instantly in NetSuite without requiring you to wait for a batch process to run. This sales order has already been created in NetSuite. Breadwinner then copied it from NetSuite and back to Salesforce instantly. Any future changes to this sales order or any records in NetSuite will be updated back to Salesforce in minutes. Now let's take a quick look at a NetSuite items pricing table. Breadwinner brings in all of NetSuite's items as well as their price levels and item prices for all currencies. Here you will see the company's default price level as well as its price per currency and quantity. This allows the user to view and quote NetSuite pricing from within Salesforce. As you can see in this demo, Breadwinner supports NetSuite's multi-level and complex pricing structure and allows for easy record creation in NetSuite, which is instantly copied back into Salesforce. Thank you.